Hey guys, good morning. My name is Ifine Clement. So today I'm going to be running you through how to create a professional landing page using your MailChimp. Quickly, if you don't have a MailChimp account, all you just need to do, just go to your browser, type in MailChimp on either your Google Chrome, depends on the browser you're on. Just click on MailChimp, then it says top email service provider, whatever, so on and so forth. With www.mailchimp.com, you just need to click on it, and then it brings you to a page where you have to register. I already logged in, that's why you can see my name. It says hi Clement. And if I don't have an account, it's gonna bring me to a page where I need to log in or create an account with MailChimp so that I can be able to do what we're actually doing now. Alright, quickly, let's jump into what we're supposed to do for today, which is simply creating a professional landing page for our business. Alright, quickly, I'm just going to navigate to my left hand side where I have this pen looking kind of object. It says create, so I'll click on create. When I click on create, the next thing I'm going to do is to search for the landing page, which tends to be the fourth option. It says create a landing page to collect new contents, promote the product, or offer a discount. So I'm going to click on landing page. Alright, I'm new. You need to give your landing page a name. Probably I'm going to say digital marketing for beginners. Digital marketing for beginners. Alright, I'm going to choose an audience. The only audience I have on this account presently, I actually named it Clement, so I'm going to leave it like that. So you can actually name your landing page whatsoever you wish to name it. So the next thing I'm going to do is to click on begin. Click on begin. So it says select a template, so I'm going to wait for it to load. This template may include placeholder and so on and so forth. All you just need to do is to click on what? Accept. So you're going to accept the terms and the conditions. So when you click on accept terms and conditions, alright, okay, you click on accept terms and conditions, it's going to show up different types of templates. So we have templates for leads generation. That was, I think I clicked it twice, or sorry for that. Oh, sorry for that. Okay, you need to select the template. We have templates for lead generation, payment, and so on and so forth. Okay, for the sake of this tutorial, we're going to be using grow your list. So I'm going to click on this template that says grow your list. So wait for it to load it. You say you're about to change the template. It's actually giving me this warning because we mistakenly selected a template earlier on. So I'll make sure that I'm selecting the right template I want to use. So this is the template I want to use, so I'm going to click on change template. So I just want to switch from lead generation to grow your business. Alright, this is what I have. This is the template that has been selected. We have a section for our logo, we have a section for a headline, we have a section for the main text that you actually want your subscribers to see. You have a placeholder where your subscribers can input their email addresses and then simply click on unsubscribe. Alright, we're going to be starting with our logo. Now, one good thing about this is simply because you can actually change the color of this background. If you're not okay with the color of the background, you can as well insert an image to take the place of this plain white background. Alright, let's work. The first thing we're going to do is to click on this pen. Make sure you navigate around the particular part you want to edit. Now I want to work with the logo. I want to edit my logo section, so I'll make sure I navigate to the part where I have the section where I have the logo. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to click on this pen. So while I click on this pen, I have this option on my right hand side. Now for me to be able to get a new image, I need to click on what? Replace. So I'm going to click on replace image. I'll wait for it to load. Presently, if you see, I have no image in my account, so all I just need to do is to click on upload from on the right hand side of my computer. So I'm going to click on upload. Automatically it's going to take me to my computer. Now let's assume for the sake of this class, that doesn't mean this is the one I want to use, what I want to use as my logo. So I'm going to click that, I'm going to click open. Automatically it's going to load up into my account. So we're going to wait for it to load up a bit. Let's see how it looks. It's looking too big because it was never resized. So what we'll do, we can actually resize this logo from this part. I think it's looking more pretty nice. Alright, the next part we're going to be looking at is this section. Okay, I would love to reduce a little bit more. Alright, I think I'm okay the way it's looking now. Alright, the next part section we're going to be editing is this title section. We're going to be editing the title section. Alright, so the next thing you're going to be looking at is how to change this heading. So like I said earlier, for you to change a particular section or for you to edit a particular section, all you need to do is just to navigate around that section. So I'm going to click on this pencil here, then I would get this bunch of text here. So I don't need this, I'm going to take it off. I have some text already written down. I want this text here, so I'm going to copy it, come down, I'm going to paste it here, paste it in text. So I need something like this: helping a small business thrive online. So I need this with a keyword here, I need it underlined, and then the one to bold in every one of them. So I have something like this. Need your business thrive online. Alright, okay, the next part I'm going to be looking at is this section. Okay, we have our heading, helping a small business thrive online. So I actually want to make all and make them bold. Alright, now the next section we're going to be looking at is the text section, where we're going to be typing in what we want to type in for our customers to read, or our subscribers to read. So which is also, I'm also going to call this the body of the landing page we're trying to create. So alright, I'm going to click on this. When I click on this bunch of text, I don't need this bunch of text, I need a better text to come in. So I'm going to be highlighting all this content I have already. I'll copy that and come paste it. So I'll paste it here, paste. So alright, it's already been replaced. So that's been replaced by this I have in here. So just do some little editing. Sorry for that. Some little editing. I have my full stop where my full stop is supposed to be. So I would like to make this bold, make it italic. Alright, and also so, and I would love to make it a little bit bigger. Font size, let's say make it 18. That's big. Okay, I think I'm cool with this. I would like to centralize it. Alright, so I'll scroll down. I want to make this bold. Sorry. Okay, make this bold. Make exceptional bold. Good. What else? Alright, so I'm gonna make all make it black. Good. Alright, so you can fine with this. Alright, now I have this placeholder that says where you can actually add, the subscriber can add their email address. Alright, having done that, I'm happy with what I'm seeing, but I can actually make this look more beautiful and more attractive, because it's actually looking so white, the background is so plain. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to edit this section that carries the whole information. Simply come here, I'll copy everything I have here. Okay, Control A, copy all I have, copy. Alright, then I'm going to come down, I'm going to save this. Then what I want to do is I want to add a block text, because as this this section is, I cannot edit the background to what I actually want it to look like. So what I'm going to do is I'll come here, drag this text box, I'll put it above this information. I'll put above this information. Then I have this, it says this text box. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to delete this that actually came with this. Yes, delete. Alright, now I have this text box which I just dragged in, and I'm going to take off the content in there, and I'm going to paste in my previous content. I think I love it. I love it the way it looks now. It's not plain any longer. It's much more beautiful, more presentable. Alright, the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to edit this section that says email address. I want other information about my subscribers, so I'm going to click on this pencil button, this pencil here. Now I can add first name, I can add last name, I can add address, and so on and so forth. Birthday, depends on what you want. So but I don't need all this, I just need the subscriber's first name, and that's all. So I'm just going to leave it the way it is. I'm going to click on save and close. Now the next section, I'm happy with what I'm saying. So the next thing I'm going to do, I just want to add an image of myself down this way. So what I will do, I'll simply come down this way, I'm going to drag this, I'll put this in here. That's going to be an image. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to browse this to add my image of myself. I already have my logo. I'm going to click on upload or search for my image. Okay, this image of myself is an image of myself. So I'm going to choose out of the two. I'm going to choose out of the two. Let's see how this looks like. That's not beautiful enough, or it's not catchy enough. I'm going to take in the other. I think I love this image. So the next thing I'm going to do is okay, I think I love this image, so I'm going to edit this image. Alright, so I want it to be curved, so I like it this way. Alright, okay, I think I love it that way. So I'm just going to reduce the size of this image. I'm going to reduce the size of this image maybe to this size, to 10%. Then the next thing I'm going to do, I'll click out of this because of this. Yeah, after resizing my image, the next thing I'm going to do, I'll click out of the mid section, I'll click out, then save and close. I want to add another block here. I'm going to be adding a text box right under my image. I'm going to put in a text like digital marketing trainings for small, capitalize, okay, for small business across the globe. Okay, across the globe. Alright, I'm just gonna make it slanty as the text reads. Say digital marketing trainings for small business across the globe. Full stop. I feel like making it italic. Yeah, let's see if I'll be free. I think I like it. Okay, I like it like this. Centralize it. Scroll. Go up. Alright. So next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add another block. Click save. Add another block of social media. I'm gonna add social media blocks.
Yesterday we toured one of the most beautiful estates in Lagos, Nigeria.
So I'm gonna bring this down here. Yeah, I'm gonna add this here. So right here I have Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. So if you have your Facebook URL, you add up your Facebook URL here, come down, maybe you have your Twitter and you know the URL, you can add it here as well. It's your website link. You have a website to your business, we'll add your website link here. You can also add other social media links. So this is for your Facebook URL. You can add your Facebook URL here. Add your Twitter URL. So it says Twitter, you can actually switch. Let's say it's YouTube, you can add your YouTube channel. So I'm gonna leave it like that. Click save, close and save. So just go through it. One more thing, it's looking too simple, so I would like to put a background to the entire design. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on image. I go to my computer to see if I have a very nice background that can actually go with what I'm doing. So I don't have any presently uploaded to my MailChimp library, so I'm going to click on upload. I'll search through my computer. I have let's see. Okay. So what we're gonna do quickly, let's visit let's say background images, background images. Let's click that background images. Click on this. Okay, let's say laptop on table, on desk, laptop on desk. So okay, the next thing I'm gonna do, search for a very good one. Let's say I'm gonna search for a good one. It's actually a very simple way to get images. You can get images from other platforms like canva.com. Just come down canva.com and search for nice background images. But because one of the easiest way I actually put up images for whatsoever I want to do, I can actually go with this. Let's check out this. Let's see how it looks. Oops. Okay, let's check out this. Alright. Oops, not very clear. So I'm just gonna make sure I have something good. I think I like this. So what I'm just gonna do, I'm gonna download it, right click and save to my computer. Alright, okay. Save as one. You can save. Alright, we'll go back to our MailChimp. So after getting that downloaded, you go back to your MailChimp. Click on upload. I have that downloaded on my computer already. I saved it to 1, so I'm going to open. So uploading it now to my MailChimp image library. So this is how it came out, but I really don't like the way it looks, so I'm going to remove that. Let's go in for another image. I just want to add a background image, that's all to give it a befitting look. Let's work with this. Save image as images. Okay, desktop save. That's not necessarily important though. Just trying to see how we can have a colorful background. Upload image. So remember, it's not a must, you have to do this. Okay, so let's go back to this. So if you choose not to use an image, you can actually change the color of the background, something like this. I think I'm okay like this way. Yeah, I think I like it this way. Alright, let's make it a little bit brighter. Okay, maybe something like this. Okay, something like this. Okay, cool. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to click on save and close. Save and close. All right, save and close. All right, the next thing we're going to do is to preview what we have. So let's see how it's going to look on our desktop, on our mobile. Okay, on the desktop, this is how it's going to look. I think I like what I'm seeing. It's cool, very simple and straight to the point. I have my logo, I have a heading, I have a text, I have this and this, and that's all. Okay, let's say it's going to appear on mobile. I have this, my logo, I have this, I have this. I think I like it. I think I like it. That's cool. Came out excellently well. Alright, so I'm going to close up the preview. The next thing I'm going to do is to do what? I'm going to click on okay, we've previewed, we've seen how it's going to look like. The next thing we're going to click on is we're going to click on, let's check out the URL. Let's see how it looks. Okay, it says connect your own domain. So if you have an existing domain and you're a premium user, you can connect your domain to MailChimp. And also we're going to be using this free domain generated by MailChimp. So digital marketing for beginners. Alright, I think I'm cool with this. The next thing I'm going to do is click on publish. Click on publish, hold on a little for it to load. It says your landing page is now live on the web. View your landing page at this URL. So what you're going to do, what I'm going to advise you to do is you share it on your Facebook, you share it on your Twitter account, you share it on your WhatsApp status, share it on your different social media handles, right? You can as well create an email campaign for this landing page link. Thank you. See you in other videos. I love you all.